Enough emergency workers in Iowa, the people who respond when you dial 911. KCRG TV9's Lacey Reeves tells us about 2 Strawberry Point police officers who are taking on new roles to help fill that need.
Whenever a 911 call comes in, the Strawberry Point Police Department is first on the scene.
We would get there and you were only allowed to do so much.
People needing medical care would have to wait for EMS crews to arrive.
There was just so much that you felt like you could do or that you should do, but you know, whether it was lack of the training that was required or something like that. So it definitely made us want to do more.
That's when Police Chief Brandon Taylor decided he could do something about it and become an EMT.
The biggest push for us was that it was something that the community really needed.
Chief Taylor and his sergeant spent 7 months going to EMT classes and tagging along on EMS calls, all while working full-time for the police department. And now they're both ready to serve their community in more ways than one, all while helping fill a need for the Strawberry Point Ambulance Service that says it's struggling to find enough volunteers.
It takes a special level of person to be able to wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning and be able to go out and answer that traffic accident and be able to deal with what we see on a day-to-day basis out in the field.
In 2021, Iowa lawmakers made it possible for individual counties to declare EMS an essential service. Then voters can decide if they want to put more tax dollars toward emergency services. Clayton County is one of nearly 80 counties in the state that has not.
With EMS not being an essential service, it really puts a damper on trying to get people in that can be dedicated to do nothing but 911 calls.
But that's exactly the job of Strawberry Point's newest EMTs.
We had a vision and, you know, we just decided to dig in and go with it. And, you know, being at the finish line now, it's a big deal.
In Strawberry Point, Lacey Reeves, KCRG TV9 News.